Monetary policies and rules of Reserve Bank of India. Deficit financing through the borrowing activities. Total amount of money stock becomes always greater than the volume of high-powered money in the economy, which is created by the commercial banks through giving the fragments of their deposits as loans or investment credits. In Indian context, the deficit financing refers the budgetary deficit which ensures the creation of new money, adding to the existing money supply in the economy. At the point of economic crisis, Reserve Bank guarantees the loan amounts on the behalf of the commercial banks and ensures the insolvency accordingly. Consequently, this is regarded as a last resort, being the lender in the economic system. When government needs to print money in case of budget deficit, at that time, the treasury bills and government securities and bonds are usually kept by RBI and then it issues the currency in return. The new flow of currency then becomes gradually the component of money supply in the economy. Open market operations and varying reserve requirements. In order to reduce the supply of high-powered money and its monetary base, RBI can introduce an open market sale of various government securities of its own holding in the reverse order. The varying values of cash reserve ratio and statutory liquidity ratio tend to change in the values of reserve deposit ratio, which alters the volume of money supply in the economy. On the other hand, bank rate policy and sterilization by RBI. The changes in bank rates drive the changes in the decision of the commercial banks in case of borrowing from RBI, which in turn, the greater or smaller portion of their resources they give out as loans to the borrowers or investors. It is one of the prime objectives of RBI to disinfect the economy against the untoward external blows, which is called sterilization.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.